Hello po, good day po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Meet Sabache, and I am an accredited seller of the MCA Home. So today, samahan nyo ako at i-update ko kayo sa construction ni Alder Residences. Okay po. Hello po, kamusta po kayo? So I hope napanoodin nyo yung mga videos ko kay Solmera Coast. So napakaganda po ng mga project na nung project na yun sa San Juan, Batangas, because that's our first condo hotel. So ito naman right now, I'm here in Alder Residences. So i-update ko kayo sa construction niya. So as of June 2025, nasa 96% completion na tayo for this project. Okay, so para dun sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, Alder Residences is located along Banyan Road, okay, in Acacia Estates in Taguig City. So Acacia Estates is our private township po here in Metro Manila. We're composed of different projects po ni DMCA Home. So multiple projects ni DMCA nandito, including yung dalawang pre-selling natin na si Mulberry Place Phase 2, and then dito kay Alder Residences. So nandito rin yung mga mid-rise developments natin, and then yung mga house and lots and townhouse natin dito po sa project na to. And also dito po kay Alder Residences po, we're offering a 2-bedroom unit. Ayun nila yung mga available actually, pero last time may nag-reopen na 98 square meters na 3-bedroom unit. So paminsan-minsan yun, just send me a message po if you preferred yung mga larger size ito sa area ito, kasi napakaganda nitong project na to. And also Alder Residences also yung merong pinakamalaking 2-bedroom unit size natin na 67 square meters, di ba? So and also yung size ito parang kagaya ng mga units natin kay De Crasmont eh. And also dito kay Alder Residences din, halos para sila ni Allegra Garden Place na mayroong glass balcony, and then mas wider na yung doors and windows natin. And also dito kay Alder Residences is composed of 4 high-rise residential condominiums po na hanggang 17 floors lang siya. Yung nakagandahan dito, hindi siya high-rise, considered as high-rise siya, pero hanggang 17 levels lang siya. Hindi siya ganung kataas ito. So right now, nandito ako sa amenity core niya, napakatahimik because it's already lunchtime. Okay, it's already 12 o'clock in the afternoon. So napakaganda, napakatahimik dito sa area na to. Okay, so right now may mga available units pa dito kay Andea, kay Mansuria. Kay Andea konti na lang eh. Kay Mansuria, kay Oregon meron na rin selected, and also kay Silva Units, yun nandito yung pinaka yung under construction pa natin. So for those sa mga gusto pong mag-inquire about this project po, about this location, nandyan yung numbers ko naka-flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Pwede tayo mag-schedule ng online presentation via Zoom, and pwede tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing. So pwede ko kayong dalhin dito sa napakagandang project natin si Alder Residences para makita ninyo actual. Okay? So again, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube, may notify kayo. So thank you very much. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.